Welcome to another fun and creative drawing tutorial. Today, we're sketching a charming countryside scene, simple, artistic, and perfect for beginners. So, grab your pencils, and let's bring this picture to life. Step 1. Sketching the house. Let's start by drawing the roof. Use a 7 shape and a parallel square underneath to add depth. Now, sketch the walls along the roof, keeping an eye on the angles. Inside, add a small window to make it feel cozy. To give the house a realistic touch, use vertical lines for shading and diagonal strokes to define the roof. Step 2. Adding another house and pathway next. Let's place another house in the background, just like before but slightly smaller to create depth. Now, draw a beautiful winding road leading to the door using 2 S-shaped curves. A simple horizontal line in the background will help set the horizon. Step 3. Bringing the scene to lifetime for some nature. Use short, horizontal strokes to add grass, keeping it heavier in the foreground and lighter in the distance. Frame the scene by drawing a wooden fence with vertical lines on both sides of the house. This adds charm and structure to our countryside view. Step 4. Adding trees and final touches. Now, let's create a dreamy landscape. Sketch small trees around the house using circular strokes, making the tops narrow and the bases wide. Vary the height of the trees to make them look natural. Finally, add a row of distant trees behind the house to complete the peaceful countryside feel. Closing call to action, and there you have it, a simple yet stunning countryside scene. Try it yourself, and share your artwork in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative drawing tutorials. See you in the next one.